On the Industry Days 2016, it is one of our best exhibitions what we had the last 3 years. We have our partners here. We have Sumitomo here. We have Nikon here. We can show the newest technologies, everything what we sell in the Hungarian market, we have on the booth.
I'd like to present to you 3 products for the new machining trends. The first tool I want to describe you is the Twist ER cutter. It's the update to our normal twist cutter, and this tool has a corner radius and an inner cooling. Inner cooling that the chips going out smoother, and we have the special coating so we can go deeper with this tool and use the full 3xD cutting length of this tool. When you use a parabolic end mill, then the cutting zone at the tool is much more higher, and so you can mill in higher steps at the workpiece. And with our parabolic end mill, you can increase the productivity about 300%. The third tool is a titanium end mill. We have specially designed it to rough titanium. We have found a geometry that works very well in the titanium and can put it on the dimension the customer needs.
Az idei 2016-os Industry Days iparnapjai vásárra új megjelenéssel, új dizájnnal, egy nagyobb 140 négyzetméteres standal jöttünk meglévő és új partnereinkhez. Saját termékeink, forgácsoló szerszámaink mellett elhoztuk partnereink kínálatából is a váltólapkás szerszámokat, a Nikonnek a befogó rendszereit, körasztalait.
Wedco Tools is an extremely strong partner for Nikon over the last 30 years. The exhibition stand that Wedco have set up with different products on it and Nikon products, rotary tables, spindle tools, boring equipment is absolutely excellent.
Hungarian market is one of our important markets. It is the number 3 in the export. We are very interested, and also we are very happy that we are here in Budapest every year. And my message to all customers in the future, have a feeling about Wedco, have a feeling about how we are working, and you will see we are a bit different.